Now you're going to create a document with a table and the following details. On top, the days of the week starting on Sunday all the way through Friday. On the left side, the names of the strongest economies that move the Forex market: US dollar, Euro, Great Britain pound, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, Chinese renminbi, Japanese yen, and Mexican peso. At the bottom, the date for the days of the week, so Sunday the 12th, Monday the 13th. Next, you're going to go back to your economic calendar and start logging in all the information from the news. Here I see that the week will start with Swiss franc medium risk type news. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. Swiss franc medium risk, and there's no specific time, so I'll just type in all day. Next, it will be China with high risk, no specific time, so also all day. Then New Zealand dollar, medium risk, also no specific time, so it will be all day. And finally, Australian dollar with medium risk type news at 7 p.m. Okay, to save some time, I went ahead and filled out most of this information. So you're gonna end up with something like this. Now you're gonna have a good sense of which days will be the strongest ones in the week. Like here, it will be Wednesday and Thursday because a lot of medium and high risk news are accumulating. And also from left to right, you'll find the name of the economy and the amount of news that they will have, so you get a good feel of how active they will be. In this case, Great Britain pound, a lot of high risk and medium risk news, very active. Japanese yen also, and the US dollar as well. So now you can come up with some conclusions that the market will start moving on Monday, sort of build up and get very, very busy on Thursday and probably slow down on Friday. And although there are some important news on Friday, I will suggest not to wait all the way till the end of the week, just because at that time things tend to turn around very quickly and this can affect your results. Okay, now with all this information, let's go ahead and select our prime pairs to trade for this week.